It's gutter protection I bought from Home Depot. I'll link to the model number and brand name, but this stuff works great. As far as I can see, you know, it holds well under the shingle. You just gotta lift up the edge of the shingle there. You slip it under there, and there's like a lip you can see right here. This lip will go in, you know, under the edge of the gutter, and it locks on good for double protection. I've been screwing them in, every couple of them, screwing them in so that they like shut tight, never move. But yeah, basically I got enough for all of my gutters. I measured it out. I think it was like 30 feet. Some amount of feet. I measured it out. Not 30 feet, 300 feet. Yeah. I measured it out and I got, I think it was 5 boxes of them from Home Depot. It came up to $250, say $300. And you know, you spend a day or two knocking these things in with the right ladder, and you save yourself $2,000. Because I got 2 quotes from leaf filter and gutter guard, gutter helmet, and they wanted like $2,500. You can see them. You can see what I've done here already. It's the front of the house. They wanted like $2,500, $3,000 to get that done, but it just took me a day and some help, and I was able to put them in. So now I did all the easy stuff. Now I got to go high part of the house, and I need a bigger ladder. So knock on some neighbors' doors, see what size ladders they have, and if they'll loan it to me. You know, try to DIY myself. DIY it. Right. Because of the lip, because of, you know, the shingle sitting on top of it, it's not going anywhere, you know? Just gotta fix this one, then we gotta do the rest there, and then the other side, and we'll be set to go. Thanks y'all for checking out my video. Any questions, let me know. I'll give, like I said, I'll link the name, brand, and any other information I could think of in the video description. Thanks.